Here we have a clear, like there is a function inside another function. This dot data is an array we have defined on the user object, and the clear means clear can access the variables from the outer function. The main important point is that clear cannot access this object from outer function. So that is the problem. Let's try to execute that. Boom. This is going to refer the window object, and here we have the owner. We have defined owner property at the user. Now I'm trying to access the owner by using this context. It has returned the undefined, and I got the undefined. So how can you fix this problem? There are many ways to fix this problem. One of the ways, you use this self. Some people like this way. Self is equal to this. Now you can use this one, self.owner. Incredible. Now you can see that self Jane Smith. Let's comment out. Boom. Now you can see the owner. The first name is Jane and the first name is John and the owner is Smith. So there is an old approach, but I want to use the standard approach, which is arrow function. And if you convert this anonymous callback function to arrow function, there is only one argument. I don't need to add parentheses. Boom. Now you can access this dot owner property. Let me refresh that. Boom. The result is same, Jane Smith and John Smith. In arrow function, this does not create, so this is pointing to the user object. So let me log this. Incredible. Here we have the complete user object. Let me give you another example. If you are thinking about, let's say I would like to access this, I'm gonna call the test function. Let me return that. Boom. It is going to return the window object, same. Maybe if you try to convert this function into the arrow function, still you will get the window object. Now how can you, let's say I am going to create another object, person. Let's say name is equals to Malik, and I'm going to create another method, log name. I want to log the name after 1 second. Let me use function here. So here I am going to use a clear here as set timeout method. We will provide our callback method, and we need to log the name after 1 second. So let me log the name here. Remember that I told you you could not access this here, console.log. Let's try to test it. This dot name, I would like to log the name after 1 second. I'm gonna refresh that. I did not call this method yet. Person dot log name. Let's try to log this. Incredible. There is no name property here because it is going to log the window. So that is the problem. So you could not access this from the outer function, which is log name. So I told you can fix it by using the arrow function. This dot name, this time you will see the person object. Boom. It has logged the person object after 1 second. So what I want to access log the name after 1 second. Incredible. Here we have Malik.